This newscast is brought to you by Lavo.
Playbox Neo will present its Playbox Neo suite media platform for the first time in the U.S. at the NAB Show New York, running from October 22nd to 23rd at the Jacob Javits Center. Playbox Neo Suite features an intelligent input switching mechanism for automated transitions between SDI, IP, NDI, screen input, decoded stream, Airbox Neo, and Titlebox Neo, the penalty box multiviewer, which instantly flags errors and irregularities in live feeds, the TS time delay, which detects and identifies input stream timing issues for faster troubleshooting, and the stream and input switch monitoring interface, a user-friendly dashboard providing real-time system status updates for improved operational awareness, among other enhancements.
Native Instruments launched Traktor MX2, a 2-channel DJ controller with built-in audio interface. The new controller enables users to instantly create drops, build-ups, and transitions with a single dial and features 9 one-knob effects, from filters to reverbs and delays. 40 studio-grade effects enable the layering, stretching, or transformation of sounds in real time across 2 assignable FX units. 16 RGB pads and 4 versatile pad modes unlock new creative possibilities. The 4 modes include hot cues, flux loops, pattern player, and stems. Traktor MX2's illuminated bottom shell indicates when a track is running out or looping, and the pad colors can be personalized. 2 touch-sensitive jog wheels provide precision control for nudging, scratching, and scrolling, and offer both turntable and jog modes.
Bright Tangerine has officially launched a range of new universal accessories and dedicated cages for Blackmagic Design cameras. These additions showcase Bright Tangerine's signature quality and versatility, expanding the options that filmmakers have for their camera setups. The new range is designed for Blackmagic Design's latest cinema cameras, the Pixis and the Ursa Cine, and includes several kits, as well as the Create shoulder rig, featuring a multi-standard mount for Arca, DJI, and Manfrotto dovetail plates, and the Create base plate, a fixed base plate with 15mm rod support. The company has also introduced a series of universal NATO rails, available in both 60mm and 90mm lengths, which can be mounted on virtually any camera system.
LA28, Team USA and NBC Universal have announced a wide-ranging sponsorship deal with Google that will make the tech giant a founding partner, who will deliver consumer and enterprise solutions to enhance the 2028 Los Angeles Summer Olympics experience for fans and athletes. As part of the agreement, Google will be named as the official cloud provider of the 2028 Summer Olympic Games. In addition, a wide range of Google technologies, including Google Search, Google Cloud, and advanced AI tools like Gemini, will be used by LA28, Team USA, and NBCU to improve the fan experience for the Games. Using AI, NBCU and Google will be providing fans with new ways to search for information during NBC Universal's coverage of the first Olympic and Paralympic Games in the U.S. in 26 years. NBC Universal will also partner with YouTube to provide fans with select content around the Games, serving as an extension of NBC Universal's coverage of the Olympic and Paralympic Games.
TTArtisan has announced its new 17mm f4 tilt-shift lens, featuring a tilt capability of ±8 degrees and a shift range of ±8mm. Key specifications include an ultra-wide 17mm perspective, 60 degrees rotation with 15 degrees click stops, an ultra-large 64mm image circle, and an all-metal body with clicked aperture ring. The optical design consists of 17 elements in 11 groups, with a minimum focusing distance of 30 centimeters. The lens weighs between 1.051 and 1.056 kilograms, depending on amount.
This newscast is brought to you by Lavo.